In this video, you'll learn how to enroll your fleet into the BlueOval Charge Network and the benefits it brings. The BlueOval Charge Network is North America's largest public charging network. It includes access to the most DC fast charging locations in North America, including designated Tesla superchargers. In order to access it, fleet managers must enroll their fleet vehicles into Ford Pro Public Charge Management, a bundle of services for fleet managers and their drivers. It gives you centralized and consolidated monthly fleet billing for in-network charging of your EV fleet, and gives your drivers access to the Public Charging and Vehicle app, which helps them find available BlueOval Charge Network public chargers through their touchscreen. Drivers can use it to find nearby and network charging stations and filter specifically for DC fast chargers. To use the app, the fleet must be enrolled in Ford Pro Public Charge Management, and the cloud-connected navigation needs to be activated if you want to be routed directly to the charger. There are two ways to do this. First, go to fordpro.com, log in, and go to the Marketplace. On the My Products tab, if your vehicles are eligible for complimentary trials, you'll see this banner. Click Activate Now to use them. When this pop-up screen appears, select Cloud Connected Navigation and Ford Pro Public Charge Management and click Begin Activation. Follow the prompts on screen and fill out the relevant information to complete your enrollment. The process is similar if your vehicles are past the complimentary trial period. Log in to fordpro.com and head to the Marketplace. On the My Products tab, scroll down to Public Charge Management and click to subscribe vehicles and follow the instructions. A window will open listing your registered fleet vehicles that are eligible for enrollment. Then press Subscribe. While you're on the My Products page, you can also enroll for Cloud Connected Navigation. Just scroll down here, select Connected Navigation BEV, then hit Subscribe Vehicles. A window will open listing your registered fleet vehicles that are eligible to be enrolled. Now press Subscribe. Follow the prompts and your vehicles will be enrolled. Once this is complete, your drivers can access the public charging app through their EV's touchscreen. Now you can utilize all the benefits Ford Pro Public Charge Management has to offer.